Greetings, and welcome back to EngWit. Today we will learn farm animal vocabulary. Please read along and remember the pronunciation of the native speaker's voice. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow up on the next useful videos. Let's learn. Cow. Cow. Chicken. Chicken. Pig. Pig. Goat. Goat. Sheep. Sheep. Duck. Duck. Horse. Horse. Donkey. Donkey. Turkey. Turkey. Rabbit. Rabbit. Buffalo. Buffalo. Llama. Llama. Goose. Goose. Ostrich. Ostrich. Pigeon. Pigeon. Have you remembered all the farm animal vocabulary yet? If you have not, please review again. Wish you all success. Goodbye and see you again in the next lessons.